Hello, I am Doug Petrie, licensed professional clinical counselor, certified narrative therapist, and registered play therapist. Today, I'm going to talk about grounding as a way to help your child calm themselves when they're upset. Grounding utilizes 4 of your 5 senses: seeing, feeling, hearing, and smelling. First, we're going to work on seeing. Part of grounding is identifying in the environment around you, whether you're indoors or outdoors, 5 things that you can see. For example, in this room, I can see the greenness and the painting across from me. I can see the varied paisley pattern in the burgundy chair across from me. I can see the brass light. I can see the whiteness of the ceiling, and I can see the beigeness of the wall. Now we'll move to feeling. I can feel my hands on my knees. I can feel my feet on the floor. I can feel the cool breeze from the vent above me, and I can also feel my bottom on the couch. Next, we move to hearing. You want to list 3 things that you can hear. I can hear the vent above me. I can hear the cars outside on the road, and I can hear my office neighbor working in the office behind me. Lastly, we move to smell. Try to identify 1, 2 things that you can smell. In my office right now, I smell the scent of someone's very minty gum. I also smell the fabric Febreze, which is very sandalwoody, pine around me as well. Today, we discuss grounding as a way to help your child calm themselves when they're upset. I'm Doug Petrie, licensed professional clinical counselor, certified narrative therapist, and registered play therapist. Remember, you count, you're courageous, you're capable, and always remember to connect.